Hello, welcome back to my channel. I've been using this vacuum and mop robot from Dreame for the past 1 week, and I have done extensive testing. With obstacle avoidance feature, it is safe to be used around pets. In my opinion, it is the most advanced machine of its kind. You will see why later in this video. The mopping pads can extend to make sure the edge is fully cleaned. This is an extreme test case for better visualization. If you have this much dust, please vacuum first. It's very low maintenance. It does automatic dustbin vacuuming into this dust collection bag. The mop pads are cleaned automatically and dried up to avoid smell. What's more, there's an HD camera built in, so it can be used as a security patrol at home or watch the pets. You can use the remote control pads to control its orientation. It's very, very well done and well engineered. There's a huge discount in this Black Friday week. I'll leave a link down below with my exclusive discount code. This part probably goes in like that, yes. The charging contact points attaches magnetically. This is the roller, all user removable and replaceable parts. Dustbin, filter, cover, snap spat. Let's check out the design details of this robot. Got a camera, AI sensors, LiDAR scan for mapping the room in 3D. Lift up the cover, you got the dustbin, you open up the side to empty the dust manually, but normally it will do automatic vacuuming from these doors, I think, which is spring-loaded. And the filter is, of course, replaceable. Oh, I forgot to mention that there are Wi-Fi indicator light and a reset button, recessed. Flip over here, we got the rubberized pads. This is not a brush, so it's super easy to clean and unlikely to get tangled. There's a little bit of hair inside, but that is pretty normal, standard. This brush is replaceable. There's a little roller over there. The pads are connected magnetically. Once it's removed, it will actually announce it's removed. So,
mop pads installed.
Sensors here, lots of sensors all around. Bumpers. Let's open up the Dreame Home app and set it up for the first time. Click Add, L10 series, Pro Ultra Heat. The robot has been turned on. Press the spot clean and home button for 3 seconds.
For the network configuration.
Aim the QR code at the device camera and keep a distance about 10 centimeters.
Start connecting to the network.
Oh, that was quick. Awesome, finished. That was super easy. I can control it like a remote control car. This is awesome. Start recording. Rotate the camera. Go forward. Rotate. Call, voice call. Actually, well, this is lots of echoing, so disable it. So you can actually talk to that one and you can hear the conversation live, like a video call. You can take a photo, check the photo album, stop the video recording, and one click to go back to the charging dock to charge. I created a big mess on my desk. Now let's try the maximum suction power on the vacuum only mode. One continuous shot. I will also place a little obstacle here to simulate a furniture, maybe a chair, so it will work around it. I expect the edge to be completely cleaned. Second press to really start it.
Cleaning.
The first press is to wake it up. Looks like it does the automatic positioning first. This is an extreme test case, but I feel like it is necessary, as you can clearly see the high contrast of the red pepper and the oats. It has edge detection, so it will not fall off the edge. Notice the mopping pads are raised in the vacuum only mode, so they are not touching the ground. I tried the mopping and vacuuming at the same time. For the red peppers, it's not working the best. So I would recommend for something like this, a total mess, you should always vacuum first, then do the mopping later. This is more of a controlled test case. In real life, you probably will not see such a big mess like this. That's all. I intentionally left a big pile of red pepper over there. Looks like it's doing it just fine. I'm gonna record some interesting footage here. Oh, looks like that little corner is not going to be possible as it tried to stay off the edge. Okay, let me remove that obstacle and try it again.
Start cleaning.
This time, it's much better. Did miss a little bit here, there, and here. But I understand it's trying to stay off the edge and not to fall off. Something fell here, but again, this is a very extreme test case. If there were stairs, yeah, sure. There are lots of red pepper over there because it cannot go through, which tells us it should have a sufficient width next to the wall on this side, so it can clean on the other side as well. Same applies on this side. Dock, empty.
Start auto empty.
Automatic, empty. Let's check the dustbin. It's pretty clean. I'm going to add some detergent in this little tank. It will be added automatically during the cleaning process. I think that should be enough. Mopping test. I created a lot of stains on my desk with a piece of charcoal, moist 16. It has the dual scrub technology and will be able to extend the mopping pad to the edge. Hopefully, when it's in mopping mode, the dual pads will deploy and press down on the floor. When it's vacuuming, they will be retracted. Yeah, looks like it detected the center of the desk has lots of stains and it took care of it like that. It's done. Let's check it out. It automatically washes the mop pad. It's spinning rapidly. Let's do a full app walkthrough. From its dashboard, we can check the battery status, start cleaning right now, or go back to the charging dock. Access the camera, which is password protected. I'm not going to do that right now. The shortcuts. You can define a lot of shortcuts, customization. Now let's go to the device. We can see here it did a quick mapping of my desk. It is sitting on my desk right now. So that's the map. The routine cleaning, it is currently paused because I did not add sufficient water inside. You can see the dock status, low water level. I feel like it's a very well guided experience. If there's an error message, I'll see it immediately. You can start drying, wash, and empty the dustbin right here from the app. And up here, we got the map display, rotation for 3D map, view a 3D map after the creation. Map editing. So again, you can do customizations, define no-go zone, furniture, stuff like that. And multi-level is supported as well. So if you have, for example, if I have a 3-story home, that's gonna be a very convenient feature. Zone cleaning. We can see the time and the area in square meters, percentage. You can see the cleaning history under settings, scheduled cleanup. We can start cleaning every day at 2 a.m., for example, while everyone is sleeping. Carpet setting. Floor cleaning setting. Just want to show you all the options. And these options may change if we get a app update in the future, of course. AI-driven MopExtend setting. So this will allow that mop to extend to clean the edge of the wall or hard to reach areas. Accessory usage. We can get a quick overview of the remaining lifespan of the accessories like a brush, filters, if they are due for replacement. Real-time camera is enabled. Cruise setting. Yeah, this is like a security patrol security camera. Very nice. Robot management, AI obstacle avoidance is on. Pet environment, strategic cleaning pets surrounding area. So these can be turned on or off. Nice to have those options. Battery management, off-peak charging. It's really not unnecessary in my opinion. More functions. The notification can be disabled. The time zone is set here. So when you have a scheduled cleaning time set, the time zone, it will be respected. Device name can be set. Sharing firmware update. And that is the full app walkthrough. This vacuum and mop robot is on Black Friday sale. You can check out the link in the description and use my exclusive coupon code on top of the existing discount. Its cleaning path is not random at all. It's actually pre-planned. After it wakes up from its docking station, takes a brief look at the room, and it will go back and forth, making sure it does not repeat what it already cleaned. It's super efficient. After running it for the first time, it was able to generate a beautiful 3D map of my floor, including the furniture markings. There's a Clean Genius automatic clean recommendation, or you can just use the customized cleaning to do vacuum only, or mop only, or mop after vacuum. I'll include some interesting cleaning footage here. Hopefully you find this review helpful. Thank you very much for watching.
Start charging. Start auto empty.
Let's check the dustbin. Cleaned.